Welcome to Earthly Organic Naturals, where nature's remedies are at your fingertips. Gingivitis. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of neem oil, 3 to 4 drops of clove oil, and 3 to 4 drops of peppermint oil. Instructions: in a small bowl, combine coconut oil, clove oil, peppermint oil, and neem oil. Ensure they are all mixed thoroughly. How to use: use about 1 tablespoon of the oil mixture and swish it around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes. Do not swallow this. When done, you can spit it out into the trash can. Rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water to remove any remaining oil residue. Follow up with a regular teeth brushing and flossing to remove any leftover plaque and bacteria. You can do this oil pulling twice daily while symptoms persist, and twice weekly as a preventative. Note: it can be tiring for the facial muscles to begin with 15 to 20 minutes of swishing. Try starting with 5 minutes and working your way up if you find it hard or difficult to do the full 15 to 20 minutes. The fun part: how it all works. Peppermint oil contains antimicrobial properties that help to reduce oral bacteria that causes odor, as well as freshens the breath. It also adds some nice flavor to the oil pull. Neem oil is rich in antibacterial compounds like azadirachtin and ninmindin, which combat gum inflammation and reduce bacterial growth, ultimately leading to improved gum health. Clove oil has eugenol, which is a natural analgesic and antiseptic. It alleviates gum pain and reduces inflammation associated with gingivitis. Last but not least, coconut oil contains lauric acid that has antimicrobial properties, which reduce bacteria in the mouth and prevent plaque formation. Join us. Like, share, follow, and subscribe. New content is added often.